Welcome, students. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the area model for multiplication. So I'm gonna give you two examples. The first one, we're gonna multiply 23 times 15. Okay, so first we notice that 23 can be written as 20 plus 3, and 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. So we're decomposing the number by place value. Okay, so now that means that I need a grid, and the grid is gonna look like as follows. So it's gonna be a 2 by 2. Okay, so 20 plus 3, I'm gonna write it at the top, and then 10 plus 5 on the side. That means that each square is gonna be a multiplication. So for example, the first one is gonna be, so we're splitting the multiplication into a smaller number. So for example, 10 times 20, that's gonna be, we're gonna multiply 1 times 2, that's gonna be 2, and we add 2 0 0 and 0, that will be 200. The next one will be 10 times 3, that's 30. The next one, that will be 5 times 20, that's gonna be 100. And the last one is gonna be 5 times 3, that's gonna be 15. Now our final task is to add up all the numbers inside the grid. So we can do that first by adding each row first. So we can do 200 plus 30, that's gonna be 230, and 100 plus 15, that's gonna be 115. And now our total is gonna add them. It's gonna be add this one, so 0 plus 5, that's gonna be 5, and then 3 plus 1, that's 4, and then 2 plus 1, that's gonna be 3. So the answer to 23 times 15 is gonna be equal to 345. So that's how you do area model for multiplication when you have a 2 by 2 number. So now the next example is gonna be a little bigger grid. I'm gonna do a 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, so let's take some time. So analyze it. Take some time. Let's wait a minute or so. Okay, so now let's go to the next exercise. So let me erase the board. So the next exercise is gonna be 234 times 12. So we're looking for this multiplication, the result for this multiplication. Okay, so let's split up the number. Okay, so let's decompose it. So 234 is gonna be 200 plus 30. So the 3 stands for 30, and the 4 stands for 4. Now the 12, the 1 stands for 10, and the 2 stands for 2. Okay, so now as you can see, we have 3 numbers here and 2 numbers here. So we're gonna need a grid of 3 by 2. That means that we're gonna need three columns and 2 rows. Okay, So we can do something like as follows. 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 rows. So on the top we're gonna write 200 plus 30 plus 4. So notice we haven't changed the numbers. We're just decomposing it into a smaller number so we can do easier multiplication. So here 10 times 200 is gonna be 1 times 2 is 2, and how many zeros? 3 zeros, so that's 2000. Now we do 10 times, so that would be 3 and 2 zeros, that was 300, and then 10 times 4, that's 40. And now 2 times 200, that should be 400. 2 times 30, that should be 60. And the last one is 2 times 4, that should be 8. Okay, now our task is to add, so now let's add the row, each row. Okay, so we're gonna have 2000 plus 300, that's 2300, so that's gonna be, and then plus 40, that's gonna be 2, 3, and then 40, like that. Now this one is gonna be 468, and we need to add both rows to get our final result. So that 0 plus 8, that's 8, 6 plus 4, that's 10, carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 2 plus nothing, that's just 2. So the answer to our original problem is 234 times 12 is going to be equal to what? 2,808. 2,808. So now let me give you 1 minute so you can analyze it better. And we conclude as follows. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.